everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be actually not an unboxing, more just like, I don't know what you would call this. I will show you the packaging. These shoes are already out of their box, but let's like try and make the experience as authentic as possible, I guess. So I am unboxing a pair of shoes. So these were purchased from Foot Locker in Australia. Now, of course, if you know what the shoe is by the title, you will know that this is a men's shoe. I don't know if they come in females, but my husband has kind of been talking about buying a new pair of shoes. Now, I have had Ultra Boosts for a while now, and I would always go on about how amazing they are. I had wanted them for so long. He picked up a pair of Ultra Boosts, and I just don't know if it's because he's exercising more and like, I guess, wearing them so much more than me, that his have literally worn out. Like the sole, the bottom of the sole is basically flat, whereas mine is not even like close to being worn. So he was talking about getting this pair of shoes, and they actually came up for sale recently, and he treated himself and picked them up. So this is the box that they come in, and that is the details. So they are the Gel Quantum 360, and then it says 5JCQ. They're the black ones. He got them in a size US 9, and then so of course when you open them, the shoes are obviously just in there. So I'm not going to pretend I know anything about these shoes. I just know they have gel in them, and I'm just going to tell you my husband's review because they don't fit me. I haven't worn them. I can't tell you if they're good or not. So he's worn them a few times, and he is so in love with them. I think he's converted, and I don't know if he would buy a pair of Ultra Boosts again, just because he really loves like the feel of these and I guess the look as well. But yeah, so far he hasn't had sore ankles as well. With his Ultra Boosts, he'd always complain about like sore ankles. I guess of course I need to show you the shoes. So the ones that he picked up are these. They actually have a really cool speckled detail along here, which I actually really like. Like, I think it's cooler than just a plain black pair, but like they're still very black, so they will work with how he dresses as well, which is really cool. So yeah, it just has like the Asics logo here. On the back it does say gel. Don't know if that's gonna pick up, maybe in the light. And yeah, they're actually a really cool shoe. I have put my foot in them and they do feel quite comfortable. Obviously the like in here is all filled with a gel to make them more cushiony, but yeah, he really likes them. He like has recommended them to like family members already, and yeah, just really good. So if you're looking for a shoe and Ultra Boosts haven't really done it for you, or they're wearing out too quickly, definitely maybe check these out. The guy in Foot Locker said, I mean, due to how the sole is quite thick on these, they should last longer than the Ultra Boosts as well. So going by his recommendations, super popular shoe these are as well. Now just to talk to you about the pricing. So on the box as well, they say that they're 260 Australian dollars. But we picked these up on sale for $149.95, so we're saving of $110.05. How good is that? Like, that is such a massive saving. So yeah, if you've tried these, definitely let me know your thoughts, or if you have these and Ultra Boosts, let me know your thoughts as well. I'd love to hear if you have the similar opinion, that these are really like working for you, where the Ultra Boosts just didn't, or they walk really quick. And I will of course pass that on to my husband. But yeah, he loves them, I like them, and I guess what matters is they're comfortable, he's not getting sore ankles, and yeah, they're just really working for him. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, definitely subscribe to my channels. I do reviews on so many different things. If you'd like to see anything in particular, definitely put a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, thank you again. I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Thank you. Bye.